Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of Cookie Jar super-duper sumos. They got guts and big fat butts. I remember that was the old school thing. Anyone remember those from Cookie Jar? Super-duper sumos. They got guts and big fat butts. That was just hilarious. How they worked that into the theme song. I think there's Mono, Sumo, and Buddo or something. I can't remember exactly the names. 10 DVD episode. Where did I pick this up at? Of all places, the Dollar Store. Not Dollar General or Dollar Plus or Dollar Up. But I'm talking about the Dollar Store where it is exactly $1 plus, sales tax. So where can you get a DVD that contains 10 episodes for $1? I just told you, the Dollar Store. So 10 episodes, episode 1 is Blinky did a bad thing. Let's see if we can get... There we go. Episode 2 is 7 Sumos. Episode 3 is Banjo Crasho Sumo. Number 4 is The Incredible Swinging Butt. Number 5 is Dance of the Sugar Plum Sumos. Number 6 is Evidence Conviction. Number 7 is Beach Blanket Sumo. 8 is Handle with Care. 9 is West Area 51. And 10 is Car Yank. Yeah. Let's see if we can get... So yeah, if you really want to read all of this, you can pause the DVD to read this. This special DVD contains 10 DVD collection features 10 half-hour DVDs, episodes. Oh, here they are. There's Chemo. I think that was Chemo. Mondo. I think Mondo was the blue one. And Proud and Way to Rumble. So, oh, Boomer. Boomer was the blonde, was the blue one. So Chemo, Mondo, Boomer. And it looks like the battery on my camera is about to die. Yeah. But it says features a bonus episode of the World of Quest. I remember the World of Quest. I love the World of Quest. That was, one of my favorite things to watch. The World of Quest. So here it is. All 10 episodes on one DVD disc. I was kind of hoping that, it would be like 10 DVD discs. Or maybe 5 discs. With, 2 episodes per disc or something. Or maybe like 5 episodes on one disc. And then maybe 5 episodes on another disc. But 10 episodes on one disc. Not that bad. So yeah. There's Jarwoo. Cookie Jar. Mill Creek Entertainment. So yeah, like I said, where can you get a DVD for under $1? Well, for $1, the Dollar Store. So yeah. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of Cookie Jar super-duper sumo. They got guts and big fat butts. 10 episode DVD. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks. Bye.